What's up, everyone? Happy 4th of July. It is a beautiful day here in Michigan. This, I believe, is going to be my first YouTube video, so I know it's probably not going to be the greatest. It's going to be pretty bad. But today, I'm planning on taking you guys and everyone on an adventure with me on my 4th of July day and my 4th of July holiday with everyone and what I do and what we do for this holiday. Otherwise, I hope you guys like the video. Hopefully it turns out good.
See you soon.
Goldfish, no water, NASA rover, gravity, Formula 1, race car, yeah. Rocket tank, North Korea,
try to light it from the front.
Formula 1, supercar, and then SpongeBob SquarePants edition. Yep. And then a real car over there. A real car over there. What? Want me to throw my underwear at you? Yeah. All right, I got bet on mine. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Who's gonna win? Oh, I'm supposed to get up. Wait, where's the boat? Where's the boat? What if it just blows up? The boat's like I won! I won! Ain't nobody cares. What I won! I got the winner. First group, go! Second group, go! Come in. Got it. Third group, go! Third group, go!
Nice. Very nice.
Dude, I know all I saw was day. I saw it. Holy.
Battery's running out.
That's our 2020 4th of July fireworks show right there. Hope you guys love it. Peace out.